It does say that it is the top selling mother trucker. Welcome to today's mini unboxings. We've got a lot of subscriptions. I do believe some of these are from December. As we know, y'all, the postal system was just, they were overwhelmed, you know? So a lot of the stuff just arrived or arrived, you know, a little late last week. Today's January 3rd when I'm filming this. So I'm hoping to go ahead and get this video up for you guys sometime this week. We have got some PR in here as well as, like I said, a bunch of subscriptions. So let's just go ahead and, you know, state the obvious. Welcome 2021. I think a lot of us are very excited to see a brand new year. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is RHONDA, and over here, we always embrace a hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I'm a little off, but what do you know? Maybe I'm not that off. Okay, so I just got done scrubbing bathrooms. I know. Joys. I'm drinking some water and I thought, your girl's not filmed legitimately in like 2.5 weeks. I know. So I'm a little rusty, a little dusty, but let's just embrace it and let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so I do have some PR in here that I did want to show you guys. This is actually from Urban Decay. I was super excited because they did send me their Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette a little bit ago. I think it was, I don't know, the middle of December, and this has since gone on sale, guys. This is such a pretty, like, standard palette. You have 4 mattes in here, and then you have these really pretty shimmers. I have been using this. I haven't used the brush, but I have been using this palette here and there throughout December when I did receive it, and I actually do like it. It's expensive. It's like $54, so I wouldn't say spend the $54 on it, but if you have some Ulta reward points or Sephora gift card or something like that and it's on sale, then I would say grab it. But you guys know, that's kind of been my thing for 2021, is just wait till it goes on sale, because as we know, everything goes on sale. Like, everything goes on sale. So yeah, that's my thing. Unless I super uber have to have it, there's no reason for me to be paying full price, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, this item, like I said, is from Urban Decay. This is the Stay Naked Hydromanic Stay Thirsty for Fresh Glow. I'm not for sure what this is. I think maybe it's like a tinted moisturizer, maybe? Medium coverage up to 24 hour. It does have kombucha and marula oil. Oh my gosh, that sounds great. I mean, kombucha, that's like a probiotic, prebiotic, I think. So this is what it looks like. So that looks really pretty, really nice. I honestly thought this was going to be like a tinted type of moisturizer, but it is not. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. Nope, no scent or anything like that. I'm gonna have to put some sunless tanner on because, once again, your girl can't shade match to save her life. So they did send over light, medium, 41, and just going off of my hand, it would probably match my face though. I don't match. It is what it is. So this is a flexible formula fit for you. Boost your skin's natural hydration up to 30%. Plus, application has never been easier with this on-the-go tube. Tote around and do some touch-ups. They did put a little shade card in here as well. So definitely stick around. I will be coming back and testing this out, trying it out. I am still working towards the 10K goal over on Instagram. So if you want to give your girl a follow over there, that would be fabulous. Okay, so let's jump into the first box that I have sitting here. This is the SlayGlam Box. Now, how cute is this? They have changed up the packaging a bit, and I'm pretty excited about this. I haven't unboxed this particular brand or this particular box in a while. So all codes and everything I will leave down below for you guys. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. So this is what the box looks like with. And that's so cute. I do like that it is a sturdier box. So what did I just do with my scissors? Okay, so you gotta be smarter than the box, Rhonda. There we go. So we're gonna open it right up. Okay, what do we have here? Now I don't know. There is not a card that I see, so I do believe this is from December. Like I said, the Postal Service has been behind, so I'm not like upset about it. I have still things from like Amazon and other companies that I am still waiting on. So how cute is this? So I started to open it. This is like a little ornament, and it has a little sponge in here. That is so cute. It's a little facial sponge, and the hat comes off. Oh my god, that is so precious. So it's like a beauty sponge. So that is really cute. And of course, you know, the nice thing about the subscription boxes, guys, I mean, I even did this for Christmas because you guys know I do purchase subscription boxes as well. I like made my best friend a little goodie bag type of thing and gave it to her for Christmas as well. So anyways, the next item in here is a trio. Looks like it is by Gerard Cosmetics. Looks like we get a matte lip tint, a glitter, and maybe a lip liner. I'm not for sure. Let's see here. Is this like a pencil sharpener? Oh my gosh. Okay, so and it's a pencil sharpener. That's pretty nifty. So you have a lip liner, your lip pencil, and it is very Christmas-esque, so very red. Then you have this really cute tinted lipstick, which I like the fact it just can sit straight up like this. And then we have some very, very glittery glitter. That's pretty. Okay, and moving on to the last item in here. Yes, the last item in this December box is the Jingle eyeshadow palette. This is by RHONDA Cosmetics. Now I do believe you guys told me this is the owner of SlayGlam Box. This is her palette. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? So a really pretty 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I have to swatch. That is a beautiful duochrome, guys, and this green is talked. I love the way these shadows feel. These are just so pretty. So it looks like they're all a shimmer or metallic type of shadow in here. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So again, follow me over on Instagram. I'll be creating a look with this palette, doing something fun. So that is everything that was in the December box. Now, the nice thing about the SlayGlam box, I want to say you do receive at least like $100 worth of goodies in here. $24 to receive 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. It's, did I say 24? $24. And I do believe I have a coupon code that I will leave down below for you guys as well. You do receive at least $100 worth of goodies in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and move right along. This is the EyeScream Beauty Box. Again, this is a monthly subscription, just like the SlayGlam Box. You will receive this box for $20 or as low as $20 if you sign up for a multiple month subscription. If I do have a coupon code, of course, I will pop it up on the screen for you guys. You do receive 5 to 7 makeup and skincare products in here in this particular box. So let's go ahead. I don't know if this is, this I believe may be the December box. Okay, so the first item in here is by INT. It is a full-size cruelty-free mascara. So that's the first item in here. Again, as I've always said, subscription boxes are a great way to grow your makeup collection. The next item I see in here is by Pure Illumination. This is a, it says a Revolution and lip gloss. It is in the shade Pouty Pink. It's actually really pretty. Like, really pretty. Love that. And it has a mirror on here as well to help you apply it. The next item in here is by Mirabella. Now this is the brand that I'd never heard of before until I think it was like a month or two ago. I received it in this box and it's really pretty. Look at that. It's always like a marbleized type of makeup product. I don't know why I wanted to smell it, but it's just so pretty. Let's swatch her. Oh, okay. So I guess it's like a, it looks like it's a really light shade of blush. Kind of reminds me almost of like an Hourglass type of blush because there's a little bit of a radiant sheen there. So it's the Latte Swirl shade. really pretty. Now, there is a card with this one, but I opened it upside down. So let me give you guys the prices of everything. The mascara that you are seeing is $10. The Pure Cosmetics Light Up. This is Light Up? Let's open her up. Does it light up? Oh my god, it does. It lights up like the Gerard Cosmetics one. Oh. Has a funny smell to it. Is that mint? I don't know. Don't trust my sniffer, I have allergies. Anyways, really pretty, and this does have a retail value of $20. And then the Mirabella Latte Swirl, it's a highlighter, has a retail value of $42. I honestly did not think this was a highlighter. I really think that this is more like a blush. It's like a, yeah, this is definitely more of a blush type of item. It's not like that chunky glitter. It's like a glow from within. Very much, like I said, similar to an Hourglass blush. So, moving right along, we have a Crown brush set. This has a retail value of $22. It is a 12-piece brush set by Crown. Crown brushes are really good. They were some of the first brushes that I'd ever received, I think in like an Ipsy or something. Oh my god, how cute is this? Cute little travel friendly set. This is really cute, and it has like little magnetic buttons here, so that's really nice. And then we have a 10 color, oh my god, eyeshadow collection by Crown eyeshadow palette. Okay, this has a retail value of $10. Oh, that's pretty. This so reminds me of like the House series or something. They had a palette similar to this. Ooh, I love those shades. So this one, you have a few mattes, a couple. You got like 4 mattes in here. These are really pretty colors, like really pretty colors. So that is the palette in here. So you can see there are the swatches. That's actually cute. I like that. Okay, so that is everything in this particular box, and like I said, you can get it for as low as $20. Let's go ahead and move along. This is one that if you do follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen me unbox it. I told you I would be coming back and I would be talking about the products that I did try out. Now, this is a bi-monthly subscription. This is the AIA Beauty Bundle box. This is like $34 for the box, and you guys, I have to say, I really enjoy the bi-monthly subscription specifically for this box because, as you're going to see, you're going to have everything that you need to take care of your hair. So, anyways, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Now, when it comes to the AIA Beauty Box or Beauty Bundle, they do partner up with an influencer. So this particular influencer is all about, or this particular box is all about hair care, and the influencer does tell a little bit of information, as you guys can see on the card, her history and everything. And then on the other side, you do have the card showing you everything that is in this particular box. Like I said, this box is, I believe, $34. $34, you will get 6 full-size products. This box particular is, like I said, the bi-monthly box. So if you are interested in picking these products up, they are available right now for you. So let's go ahead. I do have a coupon code for this one as well. It's not an affiliate. So the first item is the AIA Tangled Leave-In Detangler. It's a light moisturizing spray. Leave-in your hair. So when your hair is wet. You guys can see I have used it. It's not my favorite just because I do color treat my hair, bleach my hair, all of that stuff. So I need a lot of hydration for my hair. It's not a bad product whatsoever. It's just, like I said, for me, I need a little bit more hydration. So let's jump into all of the products. Now, This is very similar to what we saw in the spring when it came to the Guy Tang box. I love the fact that it was everything we needed for our hair, and that's exactly what this is. So I have tried and tested out everything in the product. So let's go ahead and talk about the first item. This is called the Night Spa Serum. It's 100% vegan-based serum. It's highly moisturizing, reconstruction, anti-aging, anti-frizz, softness, I said frizz, extra shine, protective, layered to seal the cuticles. Now, what I will tell you guys is I did not sleep in this product. What I do is I will put it in my hair, I will work out, clean the house, what have you, and then you go ahead and then you shampoo it out. So a little information about it. It does say, I forgot to tell you guys the brand. It's the Trust brand. I'm so sorry guys, I am rusty. Anyways, this is a night spa serum in-home version of a light serum formulated, recommended for weekly applications. And that's exactly what I do with this particular item. Like I said, I will just apply it, work out, clean the house, do whatever, then I go ahead and shampoo my hair. And you do, in this $34 box, get the Trust shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo, again, 100% vegan and organic actives. It's strength, elasticity, reconstruction, protective layer to seal cuticles. I did like this. I did feel that it was nourishing on my hair. It wasn't too dry, it wasn't too stripping or anything like that. And of course you pair it with the conditioner by Trust. Like I said, everything minus this particular item is by the brand Trust. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So that was the next item that you did get. So after you go ahead and you shampoo your hair, there is another item called a primer. This is the Deluxe Prime. It does say that it is the top selling mother trucker. Okay, so the next item in here by Trust is the Deluxe Prime. So what you're going to do is you're going to shampoo your hair. After you rinse it, then you go ahead and apply this item. It's the top selling product, and it's a versatile protein infused spray that restores the hair when it's damaged and fragile, chemically treated. So for me, I want to use this completely up. I've only used it a couple times, but I'm not mad about it. It is something that you can use after, like I said, you shampoo, before you conditioner, and then you can leave it in and use it as a pre-blowout lotion. That I haven't done. All I did was shampoo, prime, condition, all of that. And there's that on that. The last item in this box is a hair protector gel cream daily protector. You use this to help, like, if you blow dry your hair, it's a heat protectant and everything. I love the scent of this. Now, as you guys know, I have an allergy nose, crazy sinuses. My sniffer don't work that good. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So for me, I felt like this had a really nice, kind of strong scent to it. So I feel like if you're sensitive to scents, you're probably not going to like this, but I really liked having my hair smell yummy. You know, it's one of those things when you go like this, I want my hair to smell delicious, but not everybody does. So anywho, for $34, I thought it was great. I always love getting like a whole hair care system. So like I said, this box is still available for you guys for $34. If it's your first box, I think it's code RHONDA will save you 10%. Again, not an affiliate, but it's just a way that you guys can save some money and get all of these Trust products. Okay guys, so those are just the boxes that I'm gonna go ahead and unbox for you guys today, because I know I made the video pretty long. I do have 2 more boxes to unbox for you guys, which is the January Glossy box and the Look Fantastic. I believe this is a December box that just showed up. So I am going to go ahead, cut the video here. I'm going to just go right into filming these for you guys. There'll be a much shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget to check my daughter Hailey's channel out as well. Thank you to EyeScream Beauty Box, SlayGlam Box, and AIA Beauty Bundle for sending over your subscriptions for me to unbox for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, thank you to Urban Decay as well. I can't wait to try out this new product right here. Like I said, all information regarding all of the beauty boxes will be down below for you guys. You have options of monthly subscriptions or bi-monthly subscriptions, whatever your heart desires. And the more months you sign up for, like I said, for the EyeScream Beauty Box, and I believe the SlayGlam Box, the less you pay a month. So anyways, guys, that is everything. This room is crazy, but until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.